Basically, yeah.
It's there, isn't it? Guy looks like
guy here,
you can take your shot in the hallway.
This guy here is moving shit around
GoPro,
in my yard, but man, we got pit bikes.
Trying to get it out of the house.
Yeah, we got pit bikes. We're about to go get active. I've got Jack, Barney in the car. We're about to go tear out some motherfucking pit bikes, man. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a movie. We're about to get hella dirty. Ooh, pit bikes. Pit bikes.
Freshies.
Stomp gang. I know, but for real though, shout out to Stomp Racing, yeah, for hooking me up with all these little bad boys. I'm actually gassed today. Got man like Barney, plugging man with the services. If you need any services, where we're about to go is where you all need to go. So right now, where are we, Barney?
Leytonstone.
We're in Leytonstone at
Pops' garage.
King Ray Garage.
Come sort you out, mate.
Make sure you come here if you need any bike work. The man will hook you up, trust me. Let them know Wavy sent ya.
Road bikes, motocross bikes, scooters, 125s, anything.
Anything you need, pit bikes,
engine rebuild, services, tyres, brakes, anything. We've got
literally everything, there you go. If you need it, come through, King Ray. Look, let me show you real quick, yeah? So if you need any bike work, be sure to hit them up, yeah? Tell them I sent you, and they will hold you down. So yeah, about to service them. Look at this 140 though. This 140 colorway is hard. Can't lie, I'm feeling the colorway on this Z3 140. Like, I can see on the camera it's not really doing justice. In person, this luminous yellow bangs. Bad boy little bike. Can't wait to ride it. And these are gassing me up as well, man. Little pitties, little 120s. 3 of them. Active.
Martin made it out the mud.
The bikes just got serviced by the lads and they are done, ready to go.
What I suggest you do is...
It's time to get active. It's time to get active, lads. You saying pit bike height?
Yeah, I changed. I'm not trying to, you know, I'm going to get muddy today.
It's lit. Right now we're on the roads, on route to do some off-roading, get hella muddy with the man them.
Time to get muddy.
It's been raining and shit. I'm mad tired right now. I was watching that movie last night, Charm City Kings, that shit was fire. And then fucking Jake 100 fucking dragged me out around East London on a pedal bike till fucking 4 AM. But who cares, we active, yeah? Stay tuned, next stop, the field.
Muddy, man.
We are out here. I got the 140. These man got the 120.
Yeah.
We active, we've got 210TG in the cut. What's your name, bro?
Charlie.
Man like Charlie in the cut. We active. Let's go. Shout out Charlie for the helmet as well, my guy. It is lit right now, boy. We have been active, it's pissing down with rain. We're in the woods right now. Look, there's hella fucking fucked up cars in here, bro. Someone had some fun. These things are coated in dirt right now, how they're supposed to be. What are you saying, lads? How are the bikes?
Banging.
Banging.
Yeah, the bikes are good still. I'm not.
Hey, it is lit.
bruv, do something quick. This sunset looks hard, fam. Never go wrong with a good old surf.
Aye, that was fucking lit. The lads had fun, I had fun, we mashed up. Look, the bikes definitely had fun. Look, you can tell. And the bike looks like that. You already saw how fresh them bitches were. Look at them now.
There's a fresh one there.
Yeah, trust, look. This is what it looks like right now. Yeah, this is what it looked earlier. Clean! Alright, this is the Wave Gang Special, this one here. This is the Wave Gang Special, this is my one. Yeah? But yeah, we're about to load up these bikes right now. Keep it moving back to the east side. And then, yeah, put them away, chill off, maybe go out on the pedal bike tonight, but I'll probably not. It's Friday and I'm slumped, bro. It's been such a... What you saying, strip club on you, Barney? Strip club on Barney. Yeah. Barney's the accountant. Barney the accountant. Barney the accountant. Yeah, it's taking us all to the strip club. What you saying, T? You ready?
Yeah. Just dash bare pound coins.
Hitting chicks in the head with nugs.
You saying hella black eyes and lumps on their heads? Peak. Man said he's dashing. He said he's making it rain on them, but with pound coins. It's peak. But yeah, man. Back to the end. So you go. Stay tuned for the next one. So much more Stomp content to come. Tell them 210TG. What do they need to do?
They need to subscribe, like and comment.
My G. You heard him.